Malinaw na ngayon ang mga statement ni Marisa Cal. Anthony Jennings, pinagsabay ang dalawa. Ilang araw bago ang nasabing kumalat na text messages or convo nila Marisa Cal at Anthony Jennings kung saan inilabas ito ng ex-girlfriend ni Anthony na si Jam Villanueva, ay hinikayat di umano ni Marisa Cal si Anthony na magbigay ito ng statement. Sa statement ni Marisa Cal, sinabi niya na magsasalita siya ng buong puso niya kung ano ang nilalaman nito. Ano yan, nagkamali ako? And I want to say sorry for everything I have done. I was in a very dark place. I was lonely and I was getting attention from Anthony, the kind of attention that I needed. Nadala ako sa emosyon. I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away. I told my ex everything and I ended with him. And we broke up. Ilan sa mga sinabi ni Maris doon na hindi ako makapaniwala na mapapahiya pala ako ng ganito sa buhay ko. So to the public, I am sorry that you got to see the very intimate side of me. Ganun talaga ako pag nagbigay ng pagmamahal. Ayon kay Maris, nag-message siya kay Jam noong November pero wala siyang natanggap na response. At ito ang pahayag niya. When I read it, I was gutted. I was shocked. I'm truly embarrassed dahil nakita lahat ng tao yun without my consent, against my will. This is my side and I've been reading the screenshots. Doon ko na pagtagpi-tagpi ang lahat. Kaya pala hindi siya makarelease ng statement dahil sila pa pala this whole entire time. I didn't know. I was in the dark. I have no idea. Sabi nga ni Marisa Cal, nakiusap siya na ito ay magbigay ng statement. I asked him again, when are you gonna release statement? God knows how many times I begged for a statement. I begged him to fix this because I was so tired of getting bashed. He said, wait. He's waiting for the right time or right moment. So to the public, I'm sorry that you got to see that very intimate side of me. Ganun talaga ako pag nagbigay ng pagmamahal. It was supposed to be private. And I want to say sorry to those people I have hurt. I reached out to Jam last November. I did not get a reply. At ayon nga kay Maris, mananatili pa rin siya kahit na mahirap mag-umpisa, magtatrabaho dahil alam ng kanyang mga tagahanga, taga-suporta kung paano niya pinaghirapan ang kinalalagyan niya ngayon. Well, ano ang masasay niyo sa side of story na ito ni Maris na kung saan lumalabas na pinagsabay ni Anthony Jennings at itong si Maris at Jam, kung saan ay iba ang sinasabi niya kay Maris na break na sila, habang ang sinasabi naman sa kanyang girlfriend ay katrabaho niya lang si Maris at dapat niyang pakisamahan. Well, ano kaya ang magiging statement dito ni Anthony matapos ang tila panlalaglag na sa kanya ng aktres na si Marisa Cal? Yan ang ating showbiz update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.